Hi, thank you for watching our YouTube video on how to install our PIR Easy-Stow into the back of
Honda Odyssey.
Alright.
I'm going to start, put the seat down in the storage position. You can get to the bolt easier. You're going to pull the carpet back, fold it under, and you'll see the bolt for the seat belt. And we'll proceed to take that out. We'll get a 9/16 in there. And that is removed. We'll fold the seat up.
Morning, buddy.
Carpet pulled back.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were shooting the video.
Put it in there. And roll it right around. And it'll fit right down there. Pull the trim off. And it'll butt up. So it's nice and flush there. And we'll do the center punches. Hammer that. You might have to take the two bolts out. Remove the tail light out of the way so you can get the buttons heads in there. Before you mark it, we'll start the bolt with the seat belt back in there. We'll remove the tail light out, put your punches in, reverse punches, tap that with a hammer to mark them. Then with the bolt finger tight, we'll remove that again, pull the unit out, drill your two holes. That way you can reinstall the unit, start the bolt, come over here, put our two bolts in, make sure it's flush and tight with that, proceed to tighten that up. And then we have two here and two there. The unit should be flat against here, and this will be flat right there. And then when we go to the underside, there will be two body buttons here, one there and one over there. Pop them out. The bumper will pull down enough to reach up with your hand. Put the washer and the nut on from the back side. Silicone. And the two in the side are going to be right in the side of here. No removal of anything. Just make sure you put silicone on the back side of the washer. And then it is installed. You will have to possibly cut a notch out of your molding. Just go through the one layer. That way when it's removed out of the vehicle for resale, when it's pushed back on, it will not be noticeable and it will not leak any water.